A sneaky, groovy, jazz funk fusion. Think Panther meets the Cat in the Hat. It features a walking bass line, finger snaps, and a scat sing a scat to imitate. In the corner of the room behind the dryer door lives a fuzzy little fellow sitting on the floor. He doesn't want your cookies, he doesn't want your cake. He's looking for the laundry that you're about to bake. He waits for the spin, he waits for the heat, then he snatches up the clothing from your tiny little feet. It's the sock monster. Snap, snap. The laundry day king. Tap, tap. He eats the left, he leaves the right. He's a polka dot phantom in the middle of the night. One sock, two socks, where did they go? Ask the sock monster, he's the star of the show. Stripes, he likes them with fuzz. He eats them up quickly just because he does. He took a blue one yesterday and a yellow one today. Now my feet look silly when I go out to play. I've got a dinosaur on one and a rocket on the other. I look so very weird, just ask my big brother. Skidam-a-rink, dab-a-doo, I'm eating your shoe. Sock, beep, bop, bop-a-loo, hiding in a blue block. Your turn. It's the sock monster. Snap, snap. The laundry day king. Tap, tap. He eats the left, he leaves the right. He's a polka dot phantom in the middle of the night. One sock, two socks, where did they go? Ask the sock monster, he's the star of the show. So if you find a single sock lonely